Now, this question says that in a game of chess, a player can either win, draw, or lose. Okay? Now, the probability that Vichy wins any game of chess is 0.5, and the probability that Vichy draws any game of chess is 0.3, and Vichy plays 2 games of chess. Complete the probability tree diagram. Now, this takes us to a topic called probability tree diagram. Okay? Now, what is a probability tree diagram? We know a probability is maybe a comparison of chances of either getting or losing something. Okay, now for every probability, the total probability should be 1. Either win, lose, or draw, it should be 1. Okay, always bear that in mind. Now if it was only win or lose, since this one is 0.5, this one will be 0.5. But since it's win, draw, or lose, this one is 0.5, this one is 0.3. This one will now be 1 minus 0.5 plus 0.3. Okay, which is going to be 0.2. Okay, now for this one again, we'll start up again. We are told that probability of winning is 0.5, probability of drawing is 0.3. Now probability of losing again is 0.2. Same thing here for draw. Probability of winning is 0.5, probability of drawing is 0.3, and probability of losing is 0.2. Just the same way, we just keep doing it. 0.5, 0.3, 0.2. Now if we're asked from the probability diagram to find out the probability of actually losing 2 times, you now come here and go to the angle that is leading lose. Okay, now probability of losing 2 times now be 0.2 times 0.2. Now probability of losing once and drawing the second time is going to be 0.2 and 0.3. Now probability of losing and winning is going to be 0.2 times 0.5. You've seen it. Now it doesn't matter the one you are. If they ask you draw and win, draw first and then win, it's going to be 0.3 times 0.5. If they ask you draw and draw, 0.3 times 0.3. They ask you draw and lose, it's going to be 0.3 times 0.2. Everything about probability tree diagram actually opens up all the probabilities so that you'll be able to multiply out and find out the exact chances of doing something. Okay, that's what probability tree diagram does. So probability tree diagram is actually very easy and it helps simplify probability. So that's all for probability tree diagram.